Napittachara Waterfall, Chitagong, Bangladesh. Napittachara Waterfall is a popular waterfall and trail located in the hills of Mir Shorai, Chitagong, Bangladesh, which consists of three waterfalls, Kupikatakum, Mithachari, Bandarkum, and is reached by following a picturesque Napittachara trail, which is famous for trekking and enjoying natural beauty. The first major attraction of this trail is the Tripakum Falls, located a short distance from the entrance. The surrounding area is home to members of the Tripura tribal community, after whom the waterfall is named. Napittachara Waterfall, Chitagong, Bangladesh. Portaton BD Tours and Travels. Contact number 017764677789. Content created by Shathi Bonik. Voice Tahmina Shanta. Thanks for watching.